5 French dishes that are better than a vacation in Paris. Looking for a way to satisfy your wanderlust without leaving your kitchen? Look no further, because in this video we'll be taking you on a culinary journey to France. Get ready to discover 5 French dishes that are so delicious they'll transport you straight to the streets of Paris. Get your taste buds ready, because this is going to be one mouth-watering ride. Croissant. Ah, croissants. These delicious, flaky pastry that originated in France and has since become a favorite around the world. A well-made croissant should be crispy on the outside, light and airy on the inside, with a buttery flavor that is absolutely irresistible. The secret to a good croissant lies in the dough, which is made using a combination of flour, water, yeast, sugar, and of course, butter. The dough is then rolled and folded several times, a process known as lamination, which creates the characteristic flaky layers that make croissants so delicious. Croissants are a versatile pastry that can be enjoyed in many ways. They can be served plain, with a light dusting of powdered sugar, or filled with various sweet or savory fillings like chocolate, almond paste, or ham and cheese. In fact, there are endless possibilities when it comes to croissant fillings, which is why they're a popular breakfast pastry at many cafes and bakeries around the world. Croissants are also a perfect pairing for a cup of coffee or tea, and they're a great way to start your day or enjoy as a midday snack. With their irresistible flavor and satisfying texture, it's no wonder why croissants are considered one of the most iconic French foods of all time. Ratatouille. You might recognize this dish from the famous Disney movie, but trust us, it's even better in real life. Ratatouille is a traditional French vegetable stew that originated in the region of Provence. It's a dish that's packed full of flavor and is incredibly versatile. The basic ingredients of ratatouille include eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes, which are all stewed together with garlic, olive oil, and a variety of herbs and spices. One of the things that makes ratatouille so special is its simplicity. The dish is made entirely of fresh vegetables that are in season, making it a perfect choice for vegetarians and anyone looking for a healthy and flavorful meal. Additionally, it's a great way to use up any excess vegetables you might have lying around in your fridge. Ratatouille can be served hot or cold, making it a great option for any time of year. It can be enjoyed on its own as a main dish or served as a side dish to complement a variety of different meats, such as grilled chicken or roasted lamb. It's also a great addition to pasta or rice dishes, adding a burst of flavor and color to any meal. One of the things that sets ratatouille apart from other vegetable stews is its use of fresh herbs and spices. It's often seasoned with thyme, rosemary, bay leaves, and parsley, which give it a rich and complex flavor that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Coq au vin. Coq au vin is a classic French dish that has been enjoyed for centuries. It's a hearty stew made with chicken, red wine, bacon, mushrooms, onions, and garlic. The dish is slow cooked to perfection, allowing the flavors to melt together and create a rich and savory flavor that's hard to resist. The name coq au vin literally means rooster in wine, as the dish traditionally used rooster meat that had been marinated in red wine overnight. However, these days, the dish is typically made with chicken, which is a more readily available and affordable option. One of the keys to making a great coq au vin is to use a good quality red wine. The wine should be full-bodied and robust, with plenty of tannins and flavor to complement the chicken and other ingredients. The dish is typically served with a side of crusty bread or mashed potatoes, which help to soak up all the delicious sauce. Coq au vin is a perfect choice for a cozy dinner party or a special occasion. It's a dish that's sure to impress your guests with its complex flavors and beautiful presentation. Additionally, it's a great option for meal prepping, as it can be easily reheated and enjoyed as leftovers throughout the week. Beef bourguignon. Another classic French dish, beef bourguignon. Beef bourguignon, also known as boeuf bourguignon, is a traditional French dish that's made with beef, bacon, onions, carrots, mushrooms, and a full-bodied red wine, typically a Burgundy. The dish is slow cooked to perfection, allowing the flavors to melt together and create a rich and hearty stew that's perfect for cold winter nights. One of the things that sets beef bourguignon apart from other beef stews is its use of red wine. The wine is an integral part of the dish and gives it a deep, rich flavor that's hard to replicate with any other ingredient. The beef is first seared to lock in its juices and then simmered in the wine and other ingredients until it's tender and falling apart. Beef bourguignon is typically served with a side of crusty bread or mashed potatoes, which help to soak up all the delicious sauce. The dish is also traditionally garnished with chopped parsley or thyme, which adds a fresh, herbaceous flavor that complements the rich and savory flavors of the stew. Beef bourguignon is a great dish to serve for a special occasion, such as a dinner party or holiday meal. It's a dish that's sure to impress your guests with its complex flavors and beautiful presentation. Additionally, it's a great option for meal prepping as it can be easily reheated and enjoy as leftovers throughout the week. Crème brûlée. Last but not least, we have crème brûlée. Crème brûlée is a classic French dessert that's rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious. The dish is made with a custard base that's flavored with vanilla and topped with a layer of caramelized sugar, which gives it its signature crispy and crunchy texture. The custard is made by combining cream, egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla extract, and then baking it in a water bath until it's set. Once the custard is chilled, a layer of granulated sugar is sprinkled on top and then caramelized using a kitchen torch or under a broiler. The result is a dessert that's both creamy and crunchy, with a perfect balance of flavors and textures. One of the great things about crème brûlée is that it's a relatively simple dessert to make, with just a few key ingredients and minimal preparation required. However, the dish has a sophisticated and elegant presentation that makes it perfect for special occasions or dinner parties. Crème brûlée is also a versatile dessert that can be customized to suit a variety of tastes and preferences. For example, the vanilla can be substituted with other flavors, such as chocolate or coffee, and the custard can be infused with other ingredients, such as lavender or citrus. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 French dishes that are sure to satisfy your cravings for delicious food and transport your taste buds straight to the heart of France. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet like crème brûlée or savory like coq au vin, these dishes are sure to impress and delight. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey through France. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious food content. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Now it's your turn to get in the kitchen and try these dishes for yourself. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.